gonna show you how I make Barbie's poster. So what I do is search frame, which is right over here, and then I look in more, and then I find the frame I like. You could put a picture inside of it and double click this and make it see the face. I'll just twist it. And then I search for this. I search for design, and then I look in the design and find the things I like. And then you could flip it by pressing flip horizontal. If you want to flip it down to up, you could flip vertical, but I wanted to flip it horizontal, so that's what I like it. Okay, slide over here, and the boss has wasn't the other side? Never mind. And then I look down and find these. I grab this one and I could put it where I like to put it. And now I'm gonna find the other things I want to use, like this. I'm gonna put this right over here. I think I want to flip it horizontal. Next of all, I go down and see the things I like. And since I put that, I'm going to see the other designs I like. Okay, then I will put the background and I'll use something else, like anything I like this, and you just put it here while doing anything, and it'll turn to your background. Well, it's quite dark and you can't see the arrows, so I will see a light spot, and then I'm gonna go back to elements and it's still in the signs, so that's good.
I think you have to put a square. Okay, so what do you need to do? You have to make a rectangle at the back of this because it can't be seen. If you want it to be seen better, you have to put a background.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay, but I forgot about the U.
Huge. Like R.
I?
See?
Wow, this is big.
You can, of course, resize it and change the color if you want.
Okay. I do anyway?
Are you gonna keep the color purple?
Maybe I won't put it. A little bit.
You have to put the words in the center.
What does I do anyway? Oh,
R is
mix
the
it up.
rectangle.
Oh. So what happens if I press T?
Text. And C is for circle.
See?
Press C.
See? Ah, that's cool.
Yeah.
I like there.
Okay, put the words at the middle of the box. There you go. Okay. And then, is your picture of the dog gonna be that high?
Oh yeah.
Okay. You need to put the logo of paws in front.
In front of what? Oh, I get it.
Bring to front is the faster option. Bring
Oh.
to front. Oh, why did you send it backward again?
They tried doing it. Yeah.
See? Okay. So the background that you used before had a video.
Video background.
Okay, so how should you find a video background?
Search video, and then you search back, and then you find backgrounds. But at least you could still know how to spell video. Video.
And the easier way would have been just to go to videos and choose background. Yeah, okay.
Oh, this I used background, didn't
Yes, maybe. Oh, why did you go back all the way
I?
there? No, it's okay. You go to elements.
Elements, but I couldn't find the video again.
Okay.
Dun, dun, dun. It's not
Click on video tab
video tab.
or graphics. Hey.
Graphics would be different graphics. Graphics I always white, kind of white.
Photos.
Photos? No, photos. I told that didn't really look at photos. Videos. No, not this one.
I wonder where you found that. The video background. They do this. Because when you put it in the background, that's it. Okay, now put the elements.
It had to be
And then actually you added spark and stuff in the design.
Oh yeah, and I forgot the design. This. What's this? Fine.
It's already there.
GGG. I will search it. Dun, 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 dun.
You have a squishy line like this. You have something like this.
Was it? Let me see. Not this one. It's gonna go over here on the back. How does this set? Okay, it has to be down now. Then just put it upside down, and then I put it something that looks that will rematch that.
This one. This
It's-
square that moves around this one.
But also this.
There.
This is very big. This fits around this, but it still fits. And I gotta put the.
Send it to.
Mm. maybe you have to think that. And send backward. And send backward. There. Ta-da!
Done? I think we added like a burst of something. You can see the magic recommendations from there. They're all fireworks stuff. There you go.
Send backward, and I didn't even have time to even put it a little bit smaller. Bring backward, bring backward, bring backward, send backward. When it stops saying back, send back. I will stop saying send back. And don't send backward still works.
It's already in the back.
Yeah.
Okay, are you done?
Yeah. I'm done. And
Bye.
goodbye, everyone. God bless you.